Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Blot fresh poster paint with a paper towel to lift surface pigment because rubbing spreads it. Once blotting reduces wetness, use a dull knife to lift flakes. Be cautious to avoid fabric damage. Make sure to place a towel under the stain to protect other layers. Pour a small amount of liquid dish soap mixed with water onto the spot to begin breaking paint binders. You'll see pigment begin to loosen. This immediate action prevents deeper set. Once the soap has loosened surface pigment, you switch to rubbing alcohol to dissolve the paint binder. Use 70 to 90% for best effect. You apply it sparingly and work from the stain's edges toward the center with an old toothbrush to lift softened particles without spreading. Make sure to blot frequently, transferring loosened paint onto clean towels. Repeat alcohol and blot cycles until no more pigment transfers. This chemical action separates pigment from fibers, so subsequent rinsing will flush it away. You finish by rinsing the treated area under cold running water to flush out dissolved paint. Once the water runs mostly clear, pre-treat with an enzyme or oxygen-based stain remover and launder on a normal cycle with warm water recommended for whites. Make sure not to dry until the stain is gone. Heat sets any remaining pigment. If you still see faint residue after washing, repeat the alcohol and brushing step before drying. This troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.